Hello kid, today we will draw a cute dumpling. So let's start. First draw a big round circle in the paper. Leave a gap on top, like this. Now draw a line, and make a rod shape. Good job, look how cute it's looking. Now draw a cute ear. Draw like a pyramid. Well done, now draw another pyramid inside it. Good job, now draw the other ear also. Do the same thing, and it will look very cute. Draw the inside of ear, and it's done. Now draw a cute leg, like this. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now draw another dumpling. Draw a big circle. Just draw like me and it will look very cute. Now draw another dumpling. Draw a big circle. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now let's draw some cute face. Draw the first face. Draw an oval shape and fill black color. Draw the other eye. Just like this. You can also draw a different face on dumpling. Draw like a W shape. Then draw the nose. Well done, look how cute it's looking. Now draw the second face. Draw a curved line and make it like an arrow. Draw the other eye. Last, draw a big happy smile, and it's done. Now draw the last dumpling face. Draw an oval shape, then slowly fill black color. Draw the other eye. Draw a happy smile, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. Violet use green color on last dumpling. Color the outline first, then slowly fill the color. Slowly and carefully fill the color. Don't color the face. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's color the second dumpling. I'm using yellow color, but you can also use different color you like. Don't color the face. Color the outline first, then slowly fill the color. Use different colors and make your own creativity. Use Use light color, and your drawing will look very cute. Lastly, color the top dumpling. Use light pink color, and color the outline first. If you color the outline, then you will not make any mess. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now color the ear. Color only the outside of ear. Lastly, color the leg also. Good job! Look how cute it's looking. Now use dark pink color inside the ear. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color the other ear also. Lastly, color the mouth, and it's done. Use brown color on THR stick. Color the upper part, then color the lower part also. To make the drawing more shiny, use white color. First, draw a white circle on the eye. Draw the other eye also. Now draw the last dumpling eye shiny. Last, draw some white line on lower part. Draw like on each dumpling. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Lastly, draw a line on the stick also. Good job! We complete the drawing. Look how delicious the dumpling are looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.